You recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will give you some handy tips to help you get the most from your product. This line trimmer has an auto feed function, so each time you release the trigger, a small amount of line is released. Monitor how often you pull and release the trigger to make sure you are not using an excessive amount of line. To cut neatly along the edge of your lawn, for example along the driveway, you should use edging mode. Adjust head using the pivoting button. Pull the edge lock collar back towards the head and twist the shaft clockwise 180 degrees. Adjusting the diameter of your cutting path is useful to maximize efficiency under different circumstances. To adjust the cutting path, just remove the screw holding the cutoff blade, rotate the cutoff blade 180 degrees and then retighten the screw. Also be aware that increasing the size of your cutting path will reduce the runtime of the unit. One last tip, always walk in the same direction that the head is spinning. This stops debris being thrown at your feet and legs. For more information about the range of RYOBI tools available, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.